The NC1 is finally gonna look the way I always imagined it to. So when I picked up this car, my vision was to make it OEM plus, make it a streetable roadster that looked subtle, but also had enough modifications on it, because you guys know we love modifying cars on this channel. And I've been sitting on these FD RX-7 wheels now for a few months, and finally got around to sending them off to the powder coating company and getting them refreshed, painted. I think they're just painted, not powder coated, but they look great. If you guys don't know, FD wheels are one of the best options to put on these cars. From John's car to Austin's car, I've seen them all in person and have just been obsessed with them, but had no reason to put them on my NC2 because we've got the Rega Masters on there, which are my dream wheel. But for this car, these were the ones that I knew I was going to put on eventually. So really quick background on the FD wheels. There are two variations. There are a lightweight version and a forged version, and these ones are the forged version. You can take a look at the back here. They have these slots in and out of each spoke. The lightweight versions have a lot less strength in the spokes and can crack, but I found these ones, I wasn't being too picky. It only adds like maybe a pound per wheel, and they are 16 by 8 with a plus 50 offset, plus 50 or plus 40, I can't remember. I'm sure you guys will correct me in the comments if I'm wrong, but nice meaty new tires. These are gonna look sick. I know a lot of you guys really liked the Avid ones, and they look fine. There's nothing wrong with these wheels. They have good tires. They're not cracked or broken or anything like that, but they're not the ones that I would pick to put on the car. They're fine since they came with the car, but I'm not a huge fan of the bronze. I like a little bit more of a subtle color. The bronze, again, looks great, and many people have said how cool the wheels are. They love the wheels, and I do like these wheels, but I knew what I wanted. I wanted RX-7 FD wheels. For tires, we went with the Advan Flevas, however you want to pronounce it, in a 225/50/16. These are the same tires that I have on the red car, and they performed great at Miatas at the Gap. They're comfortable to ride on, so figured I would just pick up the same set for these wheels because they work just fine. If you guys are wondering if these are actually an upgrade or not compared to what I had, these tires are the Firestone Firehawk 215/45/17. So we're getting 10 millimeters wider on each tire, which is good. And I didn't weigh them, but they weigh just about the same as what's now on the car. So really all we're getting is just better grip. Not by a lot, but better grip than nonetheless. And shout out to Signature Wheel for refinishing these wheels for me. They had a turnaround time of like 3 days, which was pretty impressive, and they mounted the tires and everything. If you guys want to know about the cost, it was $650 to get these totally refinished, sprayed, clear coated, balanced, tires mounted, all that. And I think for the wheels I paid $400. So a little over $1,000 all in. It's not too bad for a set of wheels that are definitely gonna set the car off and make it look OEM plus like we're going for. But enough chit chat, I'm gonna grab the tools I need to get these on and put our wheels on and see how they look. is the look right there. It looks blissfully OEM while remaining OEM plus. It is Mazda wheels. Look at that. That is so good. I love it. I'm really happy I did this. This is exactly the look I was going for with this car. And the fitment, it's not too bad. It's obviously like a little bit sunk in, but the fenders were also rolled on this car to fit the coilovers and the other wheels. So that's kind of to be expected, but I mean, from right here, it looks OEM, and the fitment's not too aggressive. It looks like a roadster, a comfortable, streetable roadster, purely Miata. And now we have a color scheme that is matching, from our striker plates to our fuel lid to the silver wheels, clear markers. This is it. I am absolutely stoked on this. So it does need some new lug nuts. The ones that are on it, the paint has kind of chipped off of them and rubbed off to where they are a little rusty on the outside, which just adding some new fresh lug nuts will look good. And you'll notice too, I don't have center caps. I'm gonna be coming up with a solution for those, but for right now, the wheels are on and it looks really good. It's one of those things you do to your car and you can't stop looking. It's really good. I'm so stoked on it. And once we have the AP front lip, this is gonna be like just all OEM plus. So it doesn't do us any good having this thing sit in the driveway. Let's get out on the road, take some more beauty shots of it, and just enjoy the new look of the NC1. Is absolutely the look right here. The FD RX-7 wheels refinished in silver on the Nordic green NC1, and I'm just blown away, honestly. Ever since picking up this car just a few months ago, all of the parts I've bought have been intentional and thought out. I've been thinking about this forever since entertaining the idea of getting an NC1. Short of the appearance package front lip, this is exactly what I wanted the car to look like since day one. Since daydreaming about another NC, this is it right here, and I'm absolutely so stoked on it. Driving it over, there was zero rub on the front on bumps and turns, zero rub on the rear on bumps and turns, and the rear does have a little bit of a lip, kind of rolled a little bit inside, so pretty clear there, but front, with the pull, obviously no issues. I'm absolutely stoked on it. I've been taking some shots here and photos, and this thing is just looking so good. It looks so mean with a little bit more rubber on. I mean, this thing is just killer. I'm so excited about this. So let me know down in the comments below if you guys are running a set of RX-7 wheels and what color you've refinished them in, if they're OEM or whatever wild color that you have on them. I wanna know, or what wheels you're running, because I think these look great, while I think my NC2 with the Rega Masters looks awesome as well. So two of my favorite wheels for NCs on both of my NCs, and that's just, thinking about that is weird because I never thought it would be like this in my life, I guess. But thanks to you guys pushing me to keep moving forward and making videos and things like that, I just want to say thank you, because without all of this stuff and your support with Super Automotive Accessories and all of that, I wouldn't be able to do any of it. So thank you to everyone who has supported me. I really do appreciate it. So stay tuned, because we've obviously got more stuff coming for this car. I know this was like a fun mod, but we've got some more maintenance items coming up to make this thing last as long as it can and not get stranded on the side of the road. So if you're interested in that video, go down below and hit the subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.